Hi everyone, in this video, we show you how to upload or add fonts to Canva. First of all, what you need to do is open up the Canva application on your PC. So once you open up the application, click to create a design from the top right corner and choose the doc option for your design. Once the doc template is loaded, you can edit the text styles and font from the left-hand dashboard. In fonts, you will find brand fonts options, and you can add your brand fonts in the brand kit. To add fonts in Canva, you have to upgrade your account to premium, because you will be able to use this feature only in premium accounts, where you can add fonts into your Canva account. So this way, by getting the premium account, you can add fonts in your Canva account. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.